Golden, crispy, and freshly fried, these tuna cutlets are the kind of snack that disappears within minutes once served. Simple ingredients, but the flavor is absolutely delicious. Today I'm making homemade tuna cutlets that are perfect whenever you feel like enjoying a comforting snack. Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noila Creations. Here I have one tin of tuna. I'll open it and drain out the oil. Now I'm transferring the tuna into a large bowl. Then mash it with a fork. Tuna makes such a wonderful ingredient for quick homemade snacks. We will keep this aside for now. Place a pan on medium flame, heat some oil in it. Add one chopped onion. Add salt. Saute until the onion turns translucent. Next we will add one chopped tomato. One teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Add two green chilies chopped. Saute until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away and the tomatoes become soft. Now we will add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, add little Goan vinegar, one tablespoon of tomato sauce. Mix well. Then turn off the flame and transfer it into the bowl. Now I am adding handful of coriander leaves, one boiled potato which I mashed, 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 1 egg. Add salt as per your taste. Mix everything well. The mixture should hold together well so shaping the cutlets becomes easy. Grease your palms with little oil, take portions of the mixture in your hand and shape into whatever shape you prefer. I made 10 cutlets with this recipe. Then coat the cutlets with semolina. Place a pan on medium flame, heat some oil in it. Shallow fry the cutlets on medium flame. Once one side of the cutlets is fried, flip the cutlets to fry the other side also. The aroma while frying is absolutely tempting. You can already see them turning into a beautiful golden color. With simple ingredients and easy preparation, this recipe is always a favorite. Simple ingredients can create really delicious recipes. Look at these beautiful tuna cutlets, golden and crisp on the outside while soft and flavorful inside. Freshly fried snacks like this are always so tempting. And just like that, our tuna cutlets are ready, golden, crispy and full of flavor. Perfect to enjoy with a cup of tea or as a quick snack anytime. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more recipes. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always. Thanks for watching.